Hello guys, welcome to the vlog. First, coffee and we're getting ready for our day. Work-related muna ang first part na mapapanood nyo guys. Then just a quick pasilip at Surprise Corner to see the majestic Fairmont Bond Springs Hotel. And since mahaba pa ang araw, we also decided to catch the bus to Lake Minnewanka. For our third day, we also took a detour to visit Canmore by bus. So let's go guys, come along and enjoy Banff.
Kuno ka ng lamb? Yun lang yung meat na natin. Ha? Yun lang yung meat na. Kaya nga, ito lang yung meat. Nagpakabusog kami ng kape dito sa Banff Center of the Arts. We're just done eating our lunch. Here are the other participants in my background. Madami din tayo, no? Iba-iba lang tayo ng program. Ganda, no? Ganda ng mountain.
So right after day 1 of the Congress, naglakad kami ng 8 minutes from the venue to the Surprise Corner. This offers easy access and is an excellent spot to view the majestic Fairmont Band Springs Hotel from a distance. Decided what to eat for supper. We landed eating in the Japanese restaurant. Mainit, but I find myself enjoying a bowl of ramen. Sorry guys, because I forgot the name of the place. Pero masarap pa rin siya. We're waiting for the bus to Lake Minnewanka. Just like our first day in Banff, the day is still young and time is precious. So we're maximizing our time by heading to Lake Minnewanka next, taking Rome Transit Route 6 straight from Banff Avenue.
Ayan, sis! Ang water! Ang ganda!
Lake Minnewanka looks like a completely natural wonderland, it is actually a reservoir with a secret. Back in the late 1800s, this was a bustling summer resort village called Minnewanka Landing, complete with hotels, cottages, and restaurants. But in 1941, a hydroelectric dam was built, flooding the area and raising the water by 30 meters. Today, the entire town is perfectly preserved in the icy glacial waters and it can only be visited by scuba divers. So, interesting fact, diba? Actually, bago ko lang din siya nalaman by doing some research. So, thanks Google! Right after our second day at the Congress, which is our third day in Banff, naisipan naming pasyalan ang town ng Canmore. To look around before we called it a day, we took Rome Transit Route 3 since limited lang ang time. We just roamed around the downtown area. I know there is much to see while in Canmore, but with limited time and resources, ito lang ang may pakita ko sa inyo guys. as this video comes on end, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. There's still so much more to see in the Canadian Rockies. Excited na rin akong ipakita sa inyo ang aming Lake Louise escapade. See you on my next travel vlog, guys. Love, 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 and God bless you.